First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we started to see the numbers come up actually overnight last night. Yesterday afternoon, we watched the numbers come back down as we had some of that mixed precipitation try to move through the area. And some of you picked up a little bit of snow off to the north, and it was sleet mixed with rain in other places. But all that's gone now, and we're going to get a little break here before the next round of mostly rain comes in for tonight. Here's a look at First Alert live Doppler radar. We're seeing 44 degrees, and we're just rainy at times this morning, or have been right now, just little patches of light rain continuing to move up the Cumberland Parkway, as you see, from Metcalfe County up to Greene and Adair counties, and all that's beginning to fade away. Just a little bit of patchy drizzle out there this morning, but roadways are fine everywhere. As you can see, temperatures now in the 40s. We're at 44 degrees. Looking around south central Kentucky, the Mesonet sites, the chilliest temperatures that we're finding are up into the northwestern corner, up in McLean County, Calhoun coming in at 37 at this hour. Most everybody else is in the 40s. There's a 39 there in Munfordville and a 38 there in Burkesville, but everybody else is well into the 40s, and we'll finally get back into the 50s today. In fact, here's a look at the hometown forecast for the Barren River Lake area. 54 for Bowling Green, 54 for Glasgow, maybe 55 for Scottsville and Franklin today. By the way, the Powerball jackpot for tomorrow night estimated to be at $80 million, and the next Mega Millions drawing estimated to be at $20 million. Here is a live view from Scottsville Road this morning. As you're seeing just wet streets, we're not seeing any of that sleet or any of that snow shower activity left over from yesterday. All that has melted and gone away, so just wet roadways and an overcast sky and a little bit of patchy drizzle this morning. Current temperature is 46 degrees with just a light southeast wind, and the barometer is holding steady. We check a few Mesonet sites. We go to Franklin this morning down in Simpson County. From our AAA Systems vantage point there, you're checking in with 43 degrees as your current temperature. And up in Munfordville in Hart County, you're at 39 and mostly cloudy skies there. And up in the Munfordville, Hart County areas where we saw a few reports of sleet and even a little bit of light snow yesterday afternoon with that precipitation as it moved through. We're mostly looking at 30s and just below freezing off to the north of us. But further south, we're getting that surge of warmer southerly winds, and that's helping us warm into the mid-40s, 45 right now at the airport. That's 15 degrees warmer than it was this half hour just yesterday. And as you can see, just about everybody is feeling the results of that warmer air. Cloud cover, that's going to be with us all day today. You may find at times a little bit of filtered sunshine through that overcast sky, but it's going to stay mostly cloudy. But we're going to take a break here from the rain. There could be just an isolated shower or two, or maybe a sprinkle like we're seeing this morning. But here's the next piece of energy that's going to eject out of Arkansas, and it's going to head northeast as we go through the course of time. And so we think overnight tonight, it's going to be late tonight, and during the overnight hours, you may actually hear a rumble of thunder, see a flash of lightning, and there could be some heavy downpours of rain as that front comes through. But here's the great thing about this particular front. This is not an Arctic front. It's not going to bring us a big cool down once it passes through like the last few have. This one will have a more zonal flow from west to east. That means we're going to stay relatively warm even after the front passes by. And we could even see a tapering off of the rain by about midday or early afternoon tomorrow, and the sun come back out for tomorrow afternoon. Sunday looks good too, so not all the weekend a washout here, just the very beginning of it. Breezy and warmer today with that chance of just an isolated shower or sprinkle, high of 54. For tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely, and the rain chance, by the way, tonight 100%. We'll see a low of 50. Then for tomorrow, showers in the morning, then clearing in 56, 52 Sunday, a nice day there. Maybe a rain shower ending as a brief mix for Tuesday evening, a little bit cooler there, in a colder 37 Wednesday, but that's as cold as we get over the course of the next 7 days.